Video is it's the most powerful way to tell a story. It's how you build a brand, how you really connect with an audience. Honestly, it's the language of our time.
But let's be real. What if you're not a big studio with a massive budget? What if you could just conjure up cinematic shots, direct these complex scenes, and build a really powerful story with nothing more than your imagination and, get this, a simple text prompt?
For any creator or business out there, high-quality video isn't just some nice-to-have. No, it's a total game changer. It can launch your product, it can define your brand, and it can capture hearts and minds in a way that, frankly, no other medium can.
The problem has always been that massive barrier to entry, right? The equipment, the crew, the time, the costs, it all adds up, and it puts true filmmaking way out of reach for so many people. Well, that is all about to change. Okay, so let's dive right into this. Welcome to Google Flow, a tool that's really designed to completely rethink how we create video.
Probably the best way to think about Flow is as your own personal AI-powered film studio. Seriously, it's not just some generator, it's a creative partner that's built to help you bring your unique stories to life. And this right here, is the most important part. In Flow, you are the director. Every single decision, every shot, every scene, it's all driven by your creative vision.
The whole workflow is just brilliantly simple. You start with an idea, a prompt, then the AI, which is powered by our most advanced video models, it generates these cinematic clips based on what you wrote. From there, you just arrange those clips into scenes and then refine the final narrative. It's all in one seamless interface.
And what's truly powerful here is the incredible level of control you have. This isn't about creating some generic cookie-cutter video. It's about being able to specify the exact camera angles, direct a character's precise movements, and dial in the specific tone and lighting you have in your head. You are in complete command.
And this creative control, it goes even further. You can bring in your own custom characters or backgrounds from tools like Imagen. This lets you build a completely unique and consistent visual world for your story. It's amazing.
So that all sounds great in theory, right? But what does this actually look like in the real world? Let's walk through a tangible example and see how a simple prompt can become a professional product ad.
Okay, so imagine you're a social media manager for a cool startup. You've got this fantastic new product, but of course a limited budget and even less time. You need a cinematic ad, and you need it like yesterday. So you start with a simple descriptive prompt, something just like this. See, you're not just describing the object, you're describing the feeling, the mood, the shot itself. And just like that, Flow generates the clip for you. All right, next up, you want to show the product in action. So you write another prompt, but this time you're directing a more complex camera movement. You're literally building a sequence, shot by shot, just by writing down what you see in your head.
And here's the game-changing result. What once took days, a full crew, and a huge budget can now be done in minutes. Professional, high-quality video is finally being democratized. This is so much more than just a new tool. Google Flow, which was designed for creatives by creatives, it represents a fundamental shift. It is the start of a whole new era of AI-powered filmmaking, where the only limit is your imagination. This kind of technology isn't just about making things faster. It's about changing who gets to be a filmmaker in the first place. Now, stick around because coming up, we're actually going to pull back the curtain and show you the behind-the-scenes workflow we used to create this very course. You don't want to miss it.